On the eastern flank of the Cascade Mountains, tucked between ancient volcanoes and the high desert, there lies a city unlike any other. Bend, Oregon. A place where the forces of nature, time, and human spirit have crafted a story as dynamic as the landscape itself. Today we journey beyond the familiar trails and rivers to uncover the hidden wonders of Bend. Today, the Deschutes River winds gracefully north through Bend, a steady companion to the life that flourishes along its banks. But few realize that tens of thousands of years ago, these same waters ran south in the exact opposite direction. A series of violent volcanic eruptions far to the north changed everything. Torrents of molten lava spilled across the land, creating natural dams that forced the Deschutes to carve a new path. Over millennia, this powerful reshaping of the earth redirected the river's flow, leaving behind deep canyons, hidden springs, and fertile valleys. It is a quiet reminder that even the most enduring forces of nature are subject to change. Beneath Bend's sunlit forests and bustling streets, an ancient world sleeps in darkness. During periods of intense volcanic activity, molten rivers of lava surged across the land. As their surfaces cooled and hardened, liquid fire continued to flow beneath, leaving behind empty tunnels known as lava tubes. Today, these passageways stretch unseen for miles beneath the earth. From almost anywhere in Bend, Pilot Butte commands the horizon, a solitary sentinel rising 500 feet above the surrounding plains. Born from a fiery eruption nearly 190,000 years ago, this extinct cinder cone stands as a living monument to the region's volcanic history. One of only a handful of volcanoes located inside a city's limits in the entire continental United States. Pilot Butte offers more than a view, it offers perspective. Climbing its gentle trails to the summit reveals a breathtaking panorama, the distant peaks of the Cascades to the west, the vast high desert to the east. It is here, standing atop ancient fire, that visitors feel the immensity of the land's memory. To the casual traveler, Oregon conjures images of misty forests and constant rain. But Bend tells a different story. Cradled in the rain shadow of the Cascade Range, Bend enjoys an astonishing 300 days of sunshine each year. The towering mountains capture the incoming Pacific moisture, leaving Bend bathed in crisp, dry air and golden light. It is this unique climate that nurtures Bend's outdoor spirit, where snow-dusted winters give way to vibrant springs, sun-drenched summers, and colorful autumns. In Bend, every season is an invitation to step outside, to explore, and to connect with the land. Long before Bend became synonymous with craft beer and outdoor adventure, it was a town built by timber. At the dawn of the 20th century, the forests surrounding Bend stood thick and untamed. Entrepreneurs seized the opportunity, establishing sawmills along the banks of the Deschutes River. Massive log drives sent timber downstream, fueling rapid growth and prosperity. The iconic smokestacks of the Old Mill District once belched steam and smoke into the sky, symbols of a booming frontier economy. Today, these same smokestacks rise over boutiques, breweries, and parks, a living bridge between Bend's rugged past and its thriving present. In the mid-1800s, weary travelers on the Oregon Trail found respite along a gentle bend in the Deschutes River, a place they called Farewell Bend. Here, they would rest briefly before saying goodbye to the waterway that had guided them through the desert. When settlers established a permanent community in 1905, they intended to honor that history. But in the practical spirit of the times, the name was shortened simply to Bend. In its brevity, Bend carries a quiet poetry, a single word that speaks of transition, journey, and the enduring relationship between people and place. Standing proudly on the western horizon, Mount Bachelor is both a relic of ancient volcanism and a playground for winter adventurers. Unlike typical ski resorts built atop traditional mountains, Mount Bachelor is a volcano, perfectly rounded, with consistent snow coverage across all sides. Thanks to its high elevation and unique geographic position, Bachelor often boasts one of the longest ski seasons in North America, sometimes stretching for nearly 7 months. Here, under an endless blue sky, skiers and snowboarders trace joyful arcs across volcanic slopes, a dance of winter and fire made possible by the mountain's restless past. Beyond Bend's lively streets, east into the desert, lies a stark and beautiful wilderness, the Oregon Badlands. Here, winds whip across lava plains and temperatures swing from searing heat to bitter cold. Yet amidst these harsh conditions, ancient western juniper trees thrive. Many of these weather-beaten giants have stood rooted for over 1,000 years, their twisted limbs telling stories of drought, fire, and survival. The Badlands are a reminder that resilience and beauty often take their most dramatic forms where life clings to the edge. In Bend, innovation bubbles over quite literally, with more than 20 breweries serving a population of just over 100,000. Bend has one of the highest brewery densities in the United States. But it's not just the numbers, it's the spirit. Here, brewing is an art deeply tied to the land, with local ingredients, experimental styles, and a shared celebration of community. In Bend, every pint tells a story of creativity, craftsmanship, and a passion for the good things in life. Bend, Oregon, a land of ancient fires and modern dreams, where every stone, tree, and river carries the weight of countless stories. And for those who listen, Bend continues to whisper its secrets across the high desert winds.